What up, YouTube? Sorry, I'm a little dirty. I already started on my car, but so today I'll be installing the 5-lug conversion just on the front, just so I can get the fronts already on lowered and have the backs already raised. So I did the fronts already. It came out pretty cool. I did one side already, but I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do a cinematic on the other side with me doing it. But yeah, so I'll just be installing this and the wheels, and then that'll be it for the day. So just let me get you a little shot of what it's looking like right now without the wheel, and then let me put on the wheel, and then I'll show you guys on the other side. I'll install the hub and everything all at once. So here it is. Here's this one. Here, what it's looking like. Kind of stripped this top bolt. I'll replace it later when I do the axles. I haven't got the axles yet, so I gotta do that. It has a new bottom ball joint. Can't really see it, but that. So my boy really hooked me up. New brake pads, new drill and slaughter rotors. So this is how it's looking like. Let me throw on the wheel on this side, just so I can give you guys little previews, and then I'll start doing the other side right away. So let's get to it. All right, so that's how she's looking like with the wheel on. This yellow really stands out on it, especially with these white wheels. They're really dirty. My boy just let me, he just lent them to me. They're extra pair he had. He just bought some new ones, just how I mentioned. But I'm gonna see if he's down to sell them, and I'm just gonna go get them fixed and powder coated. Probably just white again. So yeah, so let me get done doing the other side, and I'll show you guys the whole process. I had a little issue with this one right here, as you can tell, but I got it in. It was just kind of hard. This one was newer than the other ones, but I got it in. So there she goes. Now I gotta do the backs probably later tonight. It's a little bit hot, as you can tell. The sun's pointing out my garage, so I'm gonna do the backs. Get the backs right there. So I'm gonna do those later, but I was just doing the front so I can take it off the jack stands and push it forward, so I have more room in the back. So yeah, she's sitting pretty nice. I should have repainted the brake calipers, but hey, nobody's gonna know. I mean, and plus look at the wheels. But yeah, so gotta do those here shortly, so see you guys soon. Yeah, what up, YouTube? So day 2, doing the rears right now. One of my good boys right here, Luna, came through and helped me out. So we did one side. I didn't want to really get on camera. I didn't know what I was doing. He kind of did. So we're gonna do a little B-roll of the other one, installing the other one. So let me show you guys how the rears came out. So here's with the rears on. Took a little bit more time because I kind of messed up a bolt or two, but here it is. So let's get doing to the other side now. got the rears on now. We're gonna do the e-brake cables right now. We're gonna show you guys how to do it. But here's she looking like with the 5 lug on. The bitch looks saucy. All she needs is a little wrap or maybe a paint job. And I gotta clean up these wheels really good, so let's get to it on the e-brake cable. So you gotta explain to him what you're doing.
Now you're gonna explain.
So basically, we're just turning this bracket since it can turn. We're just turning it and we're just putting them on into the hole. Pretty common. Easy. That side is in. Just got a little force to it, huh? There you go. So they're both in now. Now we can throw the carpet back over. Got the bolts right here. But pretty much, just put the back on these 2 bolts, and then you're done. And then we're all set. All right, guys. So we're all wrapped up. Finished everything today. Ignore that. That's just a little bracket I have it sitting there. I still got to get fabbed up, but this is how she is sitting currently. Fucking beauty, man, beauty. Can't wait. Almost time, almost time. Look at her. Man. So that's done. Now I just gotta focus back up on the engine bay. I just gotta get dash 16s right here. I gotta get a battery, starter, my piping, and Honda, and that's it. She'll be running. So pretty soon she'll be in the streets. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.